Two global superpowers, one ultimate engineering showdown. Ever wondered how millions of tons of waste banana stems are transformed into high-grade commercial flour?
Today, we go deep inside America's ultra-automated megafactories versus China was fast-paced industrial behemoths.
USA factory setup is centered on zero human contact and heavy AI-driven automation. Ultra-high-pressure water nozzles blast away surface dirt in seconds.
Fact: USA factories recycle 95% of water used during initial washing through real-time reverse osmosis systems.
The shredded material then passes through a massive rotary hydraulic press. Liquid extracted is channeled into biofuel units, while the dry fibrous
The slurry passes through continuous optical laser sorters that detect and eject micro-impurities in milliseconds using air jets.
The dry material moves into a multi-stage air classifier mill, grinding the powder down to a delicate 100-micron particle size.
The final flour powder flows into an automated multi-head weigh filler. Heavy-duty craft paper sacks are placed onto high-speed conveyor lines by robotic arms. Heavy robotic stackers load the finished flour bags onto wooden pallets, wrapped automatically in stretch film, and loaded straight into refrigerated cargo trucks for nationwide distribution. In China's industrial hub, heavy-duty automated dumpers drop 20 tons of raw banana stems and cassava roots simultaneously into massive.
Fact: China is the world's largest processing hub, featuring megafactories capable of processing over 500 tons of raw agricultural waste in a single shift.
This pulp instantly spins in high-speed industrial decanter centrifuges at 4,500 RPM to separate liquid runoff from solid fibrous starch completely.
Precision optical sensor arrays project continuous light beams from top girders to measure material density in real time.
The clean starch liquid is then pumped to the top of an 80-meter-high continuous spray drying tower. Atomizer.
Fact: multi-stage hydrocyclone systems achieve an extraction efficiency of 98.5%, ensuring minimal starch loss. Once filled, an ultrasonic sealing system welds the top edge in 0.5 seconds. Automated guided vehicles rapidly move full pallets to From raw agricultural waste to millions of tons of pure commercial flour, USA mastered precision automation while China dominated sheer production speed. This is how the world's biggest factories operate behind closed doors. And this is secret food manufacturing.
But wait, if you think processing banana stems is insane, wait until you see how megafactories turn raw potatoes into pure industrial starch.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Super Grok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.